My family definitely needed this wagon and stroller 2-in-1, baby. Oh my god, get it right now, you guys. Oh my god, Harppa came out with this 2-in-1 wagon and stroller. It's amazing. What I really fucking love about this, you guys, is that it pretty much came assembled. Everything. I didn't have to put nothing together other than the wheels, and the wheels were just clip-ons. Now wifey is helping me put on all the attachments. Look, it comes with like a little sunroof and the netting, so that way your kids can be protected from the sun. Look at my kids, they are loving their new wagon. Oh my god, the wheels swivel so smooth and glide so smooth. You guys saw that. Anyway, look at this. You guys need to get it now. Also, it definitely comes in with 2 straps, you guys. Look at this. You can even pull the bar and use it as a wagon. I am gonna love this. 2 straps for the kids. It has the footrest. You can unlock the footrest so it goes lower, so that way they can sit more comfortably. You guys, this is so amazing. Why did I wait so long to get this? Look at these ginormous compartments where you can put your phone, water cups. It has a brake. You can grab that handle to use as a wagon. I'm using this to bring in my groceries also. Get it now.